There's something about the new year that opens a portal to life transformation, but will you be ready when the time comes? You need to start getting ready now, or risk spending another year wasting your potential. This is a no-nonsense, rapid-fire playbook of specific tips. Here are 36 very specific things you can act on now to finally make the new year yours. Number 1, just do one. There are 36 tips for you, but promise to do at least just one. If you do one, then you win. Don't try to be perfect and do everything. Just promise you'll take one step. That's all it takes. Thank you. Number 2, pick a big goal. Forget about all of your other goals and pick the one that will make your next year a win. Write it down and put it up where you can see it each day. Focus on that one goal and forget the rest. Figure out everything it takes to get that one done. Setting yourself up for a major win in the new year will make all the other ups and downs irrelevant because you got a big one done. Number 3, upgrade a skill. Out of all the skills you've always wanted to learn or upgrade, pick one. Make sure it's a skill that's worth it, one that will help you get what you want out of life. Then figure out how to get better at that skill and spend time on it each day. Again, don't get distracted, focus and commit. Number 4, set milestones and awards. Have a list of milestones you want to reach in the new year, and next to each milestone, write a celebration for reaching it. It might be allowing yourself to buy something you wanted or going on a trip, anything. This way, you earn those rewards as you progress in life. Number 5, read daily. Choose a book at a time and read a chapter from it each day. If the chapter is too long, read a few pages, but commit to reading from it daily. People often feel suffocated by the thought of finishing all their books, but the cheat here is not to think about that. Just take a few pages each day, and by the end of the year, you'll have gone through more books than you would have otherwise, and you'll be better for it. Number 6, shut your mouth. Don't talk about your plans and goals with other people. This new year is about crushing it in the shadows. The more other people know about your plans, the more they drag you down. So just keep it shut and hustle your ass off. Other people don't build your life for you. Your blood, sweat, and tears do. Get to work. Number 7, it's you versus you. Take a moment to get something straight. You are your worst enemy. Your inner voice, your bad habits, your laziness. It's you versus you. And it has nothing to do with anyone else. Don't give yourself excuses. You're only fooling yourself. Prepare for battle with yourself and be determined to win. That way, you'll get what you want in the new year. Number 8, declutter. You have too much stuff. Don't fool yourself. You definitely have too much stuff, and it's messing with your life. The more clutter you have, the more things you collect, the harder it is to focus. It makes you depressed and stressed out. Do a one-time removal of anything that doesn't make you feel good, and then commit to throwing away or selling one item each day. You'll be able to breathe again without your clutter handcuffs. Number 9, reduce screen time. Companies are doing everything they can to grab your attention for dollars. And when your attention isn't on your growth and goals, you're wasting your time. Cut off bad habits like mindless scrolling. Watching and gaming, be intentional. Choose your own growth over generating ad dollars or even consuming self-improvement content. Once you've absorbed enough, go out, do, and live. Don't endlessly watch content. Number 10, no phone in the bedroom. Pro tip, don't let your phone enter your bedroom. Have a designated area in your home where you leave your phone to charge overnight. Your phone does not belong where you are meant to sleep. Recharge and regenerate. It becomes a distraction, and having an electronic device near you while you sleep can't be good. Number 11, bedtime thanks. The more gratitude you exercise, the more opportunities you'll see in front of you, and the more energy you'll receive to move forward farther in the new year. Start by practicing thanks for something in your life, even if you don't think you have anything to be thankful for. Once you force yourself to say thanks for something, you'll be surprised at how much you've benefited from. Number 12, embrace failure. As you prepare for your rocket ship to take you far in the new year, you will undoubtedly face failure after failure before finding success. That's the name of the game. Those who succeed will say they just needed to keep failing without giving up. Don't let the fear of failure keep you from starting or taking the right steps. Embrace failure the right way and you'll be unstoppable. Number 13, embrace saying no. This upcoming year has to be about focus. What does that mean? It means you need to say no to a lot of things. There will be distractions all around you, from inside your mind and from others. Be very comfortable with saying no to things that don't serve you. Number 14, follow through. If there's one muscle that differentiates winners from losers, it's discipline. You need to be ready to do what you say you will do. Follow through with your promises to yourself and to others. Never give this up. Number 15, be scrappy, be agile. In other words, be flexible. Life is going to throw all sorts of curveballs your way. You need to be able to dodge, maneuver around them, and not get stuck in stasis. As Muhammad Ali said, you need to float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. Dance your way through the new year, and you'll be ready for whatever it throws at you. Number 16, remember, life is finite. Just a friendly reminder. This is not the infinite life. This is the finite life. You'll live this new year only once. So while you have what you have today, feel the urgency to use it wisely. Take advantage of each waking day. Don't regret it at the end of this adventure we call life. Live big. Number 17, post-meal squats. Wish you would exercise every day, at least for an hour, but promise me this for the new year. After every meal, stand up and do 10 squats. Simple, easy, and I promise life-changing. This alone will change your health and energy in the new year, and it will serve as an entry point into more comprehensive workout habits. Number 18, detox drink. The way you start the day determines everything about that day. So do something for me. First thing after you wake up, heat up some clean water and pour it into a cup. Squeeze lemon into it. Better if you clean the lemon first and blend it, peel included. But for now, just squeeze the lemon. Make the combination cool enough to drink, then have a full glass on an empty stomach. The best way to start the day. You'll thank me later. Number 19, cut added sugar. Stop eating foods, desserts, and candies with added sugar. You're not a child anymore. Just stop. It messes with your body and mind. It leads you closer to death, rots your teeth, and it's poison. Number 20, only healthy foods in your home. Have a rule going into the new year. You will not allow unhealthy food to enter your home while you're at the grocery store. Don't allow bad food to enter your cart. If someone gifts you a box of cookies, don't bring them back home. Throw them away if you have to. I'm serious. Be absolutely religious about this. Anything you bring into your home will be eaten, often at the worst times. Control your environment. Don't trust only your self-control. Partil. 21. Chill out on supplements. If you know you're deficient in certain things like vitamin D, and a doctor recommends supplements, then that's okay. But other supplements you heard about on social media and decided to try, throw them away. Your kidneys and liver will thank you. Stick to what matters for your health and mood. Good food and good exercise, not pills and bottles that aren't quality controlled and could be filled with questionable ingredients. Partil. 22. Get a full health checkup. Go to the best doctor you can find and get a comprehensive health checkup. This includes blood tests to check for any diseases and an assessment of your body's overall nutrition and lipid profile, cholesterol levels. You need to know if there are any deficiencies or irregularities you should be mindful of heading into the new year. This helps you work toward regaining balance and staying in good condition to push forward. Partil 23. Don't mouth breathe. Here's a pro tip. Don't be a mouth breather. Practice breathing through your nose as much as possible, both when inhaling and exhaling. Mouth breathing can lead to sinus infections, irregular jaw structures, and other health issues. Fixing this habit will be a good addition to the new you. Partil 24. Moisturize and protect. As the new year begins, it'll likely be cold and dry for most of you. Throughout the year, commit to moisturizing regularly with good quality lotion. Don't go for anything fancy. Those are scams. Choose lotions with natural, quality ingredients. And of course, commit to protecting your skin from the sun with sunscreen. I suggest a mineral-based sunscreen for best results. But deal 25, grow your capital. As opportunities and challenges arise in the new year, you'll need capital. If you haven't done so already, start a savings fund and an investment fund. It doesn't matter how much you start with, just start. Set it up so money is automatically placed into these funds every month, and then forget about it. But deal 26, delete subscriptions. Go through your subscriptions and be critical about each one. If you don't absolutely love a subscription or need it to achieve your goals, cancel it. Be ruthless. Stop wasting your valuable time and money. But deal 27, monthly budget. Open a Google Sheet and start a monthly budget to track every single inflow and outflow of cash in your life. Have it go month by month, all the way out for a few years. See how your spending, checking, savings, and investments change month over month, and use this budgeting sheet to make adjustments. This will help you reach your financial goals. Part 28, grow an asset. I love assets. I gather them, build them, and grow them. They ultimately become my wealth and have helped me live freely and with more enjoyment. Assets are anything that appreciate in value or generate cash flow for you. The best assets are the ones that do this while you sleep. Some examples are investment real estate, stocks, and digital content businesses. Pick one, learn it, and grow it. But deal 29, cut stupid costs. Look at where you spend money and identify the unnecessary expenses, like food delivery or too many shoes. Cut them out of your life. Stop being wasteful and stop being a slave to bad spending habits. Take control. But deal 30, cut one toxic relationship. Look at the people you spend time with, whether in person or online. Identify one relationship that is net negative for you, one that harms your health, wealth, or progress. End that relationship. Let it fizzle out. Don't spend energy on it. Move on and focus your time and energy on what truly matters to you. But deal 31, focus on one healthy relationship. Take the same approach, but identify a relationship that has been good for you. A relationship that lifts you up, one that is mutually beneficial. In the next year, focus on growing that relationship and nurturing it. You have limited energy, so be intentional about putting your effort into this one relationship. Help it flourish in a healthy way. But deal 32, find a community of like minds. With the main goal you've identified for the year, find a community of people who are striving for similar goals. Whether it's in person or online, via YouTube, Discord, or another platform, join that community. Learn from them, contribute to them, and work together to accomplish your goals in the new year. But deal 33, find a mentor. Look for someone who has accomplished what you want to achieve, someone who is living the life you aspire to. Ask for their mentorship, earn their trust, work for them for free if necessary. A mentor can accelerate your progress in life, offering invaluable guidance to help you reach your goals faster. Part 34, be a mentor. As you progress on your journey, be open to helping someone who is at a point in life where you once were. Offer guidance to someone who is seeking mentorship from you. By doing so, you'll refine your own skills, develop empathy for the mentor-mentee relationship, and better connect with the right mentor for yourself. Part deal 35, forgive the past. Don't carry the weight of past wrongs into the new year. Whether it's parents, siblings, friends, or acquaintances who have hurt you, free yourself by forgiving them. Forgive them for any past, present, or future trespasses. This isn't about them. It's about prioritizing your own peace so that you can fully focus on your growth this year. But deal 36, every day is day 1. Let's be honest, this whole New Year thing is a bit of a hoax. Just because it's the start of a new calendar year doesn't mean it has to be something special. Every day can be January 1st. Every day is day 1. Rise anew each day with passion for your fresh start. Treat every first step you take as one of the most important in your life, no matter when it happens. You have the power to create the life you want. It all starts with believing in yourself. Comment below with your biggest goal for the year, and let's support each other in reaching new heights. If you'd like more tips on powerful daily habits, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.